Here I have done a lot of things learning from our online videos. This is my main. Here I had done some test regarding my function and regarding my CPP file. Uh, Here I implement the insertion and extraction function. I implement a lot of functions similar to the lecture class, like get, getx, setx, operator equals, operator double equals to. Um, uh, but here I implement a couple of support function which change the state of a stream. Uh, I'm working with. Um, I here I don't demonstrate or cascade and chaining in this program. Here I remove my friend declaration at the bottom of the class. We no longer needed to make the inserter and extractor friend of the vector class, as the support method can access the private data anyway, using OSStream and iStream reference. In OSStream 1, okay, OSStream 1 here. In OSStream 1, we need to put the data into the stream itself, uh, and only one part of parameter, that is OSStream, called OS. This is a constant method, as we don't want to change the data in this class. Now for the extraction, use the iStream method from stream, and its parameter is iStream, and reference is called by is. Then I implement both function in the vector CPP file. Here OSStream vector to stream is a constant method. Here we no longer need to reference a vector argument, as we can access the private data member in the class anyway. In the non-function member, we call upon to stream uh, OSStream and iStream. Those are the non-member function. So in this program I have uh, functions and constructor, destructors, parameters. uh, I have set get x function, set x function, get y, set y, operator equals, operator double equals, not equals to, that's the new one I learned. um, so those are the O streams one. Let me run the program. Okay, make file. Okay, a.exe. So on my uh, CPP, I first try and check if my function is working, if I name them right or wrong. So here I put set 25 and 12, that's why I get 12 and 25. On the test, on this test, I try to use the equal operator, and see this comes true, as the value of vector x is equals, when I put vector b on b22 4, and I try to put b inside the b1, passing b1 to the copy over this. On the other test, here I create a test using cin cout. Here I try to insert the value. Let me put the um, value of vector has the two parameters, x and y. The first value, x, is 50, y is let's type 25, and try to, and the second vector that has a um, parameter, let me try the same one first, 50, and that has a parameter 25. Then it says vector 1 equals to vector 2. Okay, let me try it. If I put the first vector's first parameter 25, and I try to different it from the first set is 25 and 23. The second set, let me put any number different than that, 24, 26, but and it says the vector 1 doesn't equals to vector 2. Thank you.